Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm in my old kind of setup, and by that I mean I'm not normally set up where I usually am with my camera and ring light and everything, and that is because my camera died and the extra battery is with my mom, who is not home right now, and it's not charged anyway, so I won't even be able to use it. But I'm just gonna be filming this video on my phone. If you guys are coming from my Black Friday vlog, welcome back. Thank you so much for sticking around to see what I ended up buying. But if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. It's basically a vlog of me buying all of this stuff that I'm about to show you guys today. And yeah, I'm gonna try and go in order from how I went to the stores, just in case you did watch the video, just so it makes a little bit more sense. But if you didn't, that's fine. I'm just gonna be going how I shopped. So the first store we went to was Walmart, and you guys, if you watched the vlog, it was so hectic in there. Literally, like, people were pushing, shoving, like, it was crazy. People were, like, literally running over each other with carts, and I was one of them. I got run over. So I got two items for YouTube because they were on a really, really good Black Friday sale. I got this 64GB memory card that was $8, which is really good because sometimes the 64s could be, like, anywhere from, like, I think 20 to 30, depends on where you get it though. And I also got this 64GB USB flash drive for if I have any videos that are stored on my laptop that I want to store on a flash drive to either transfer somewhere else, like on a different laptop, or if I don't have enough storage and I have to, like, delete the video, I'll put it on here, erase it from my computer, so it'll still be on here. These next couple items that I got from Walmart weren't on any type of Black Friday sale or didn't have any type of deal to them. They were all original price. But I figured I would just pick them up while I was there because they're things that I was asking for. So I got the Eyler London Luxe Silk Lashes in the style Marquise, and it comes in a 3-pack, which is really good. It was $12, which is a total steal because one pair is original like $8 or $9. So 3 of them for $12 is really, really good. And I also have been asking for lots of lashes this year just because I want to stock up on them and have like a lot in styles that I like. I feel like lashes is all I've been wearing recently, and I just like really like the look of them. It's all I have on right now. And then I also got 2 lip glosses, one Maybelline. This is the shade Barefoot, and this one's by Rimmel, Stay Glossy in 110 Rose. Lastly, from Walmart, I got this acne facial wash from Neutrogena. I just needed a regular face wash, and I know that I used to use this one, so I know it works good. I didn't buy it for any specific reason. Like, I don't really need oil-free or anything like that. I just know that it worked for me before and it never broke me out, so I wanted to go back to it. Surprisingly, I only got a couple of things from Kohl's because my mom usually orders online, and I want to save what she got online for like my what I got for Christmas video because some of the items in this video are going to be in that video. So if you've seen this video, you're probably already going to see these items in that video as well. But I just want to try and have some like new items in that video as well, so it's not like a duplicate video. The first thing was this white puffer vest. I think that this would look so cute with like a tight long sleeve shirt underneath, like a color, whether it's white or black vest with like a pink sleeve or purple. And that was original $15, but my mom had a $10 off coupon, so that was only $5. And I think she had an additional 15% off as well. This she did a separate order on and got the same deal. This was original $50 and it was on sale for $15 as well. And she had the $10 off coupon, so $5 plus a 15% off. I just needed like more pairs of earrings. These are the only 2 pair that I have in silver because I recently switched all my jewelry to only silver. I don't wear gold anymore, so I got rid of all my gold. And so these are the only ones I have. And these are just really cute plain diamond studs. Next, I'm pretty sure we went to Ulta and we had a field day in there. I got the Too Faced Better Than Sex Lashes and Lips Kit. It comes with these 2 mascaras as well as this lip injection gloss. This has a value of $41 and it was $16. So we got 2 of those, one for me and one for my sister. They also had a really good deal on a buy one, get one free for their hair products, but it had to be like a certain brand. Like, there's always exclusions and you have to really read the fine print with deals from Ulta. I got the Plump for Joy bodybuilding dry shampoo as well as a She's a Tease volumizing hairspray. This one was $6 and this one was $7, but like I said, it was buy one get one free, so I paid for this one. and got both of them for $7. I love this brand, and I never really buy it because they are normally expensive. So I got those two for me, and my sister got these two, both Dry Shampoo Beach Babe and Clean Freak. And then I also got my sister two Kylie Cosmetics highlighter and bronzer, and the shades that I thought she liked. She was asking for just any good highlight and bronzer because she's trying to get into makeup, so she likes the Kylie brand, and I recommended these two shades for her. After Ulta, we went to the Lehigh Valley Mall, which has Forever 21 in it. That's like the only reason I wanted to go up to that mall. And also from Ulta, I just got a bunch of like little makeup from Essence that wasn't on sale either, but my mom had a $3.50 off of $15 coupon, so I spent $15 on Essence products and got $3.50 off. I bought two clear lash and brow gels. I needed new ones. Mine were turning brown from using them so much, and I'm running out. I also got another lip gloss. This one's clear though, and I really like lip glosses that give a wet look, and they're kind of hard to find in my opinion, one that's not like sticky or looks like greasy or anything. I got lots of recommendations for this one, so I wanted to try it out, and I did, and I actually really like it, you guys. So if you're looking for a wet look lip gloss, definitely go with the Essence one. It's definitely affordable enough. I got the Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer. I also got two brow products. I got this one that's like supposed to like imitate fake brow strokes. After Ulta, we went to the Lehigh Valley Mall, and the main reason why I wanted to go in there was for Forever 21. It's the only close one by me, and I'm pretty sure it's going out of business soon, but I didn't actually pick up too much in that store. I only ended up getting one thing, which was this 2-pack of really cute fuzzy socks. One's like light pink with polka dots, and this one's white with like varsity stripes. And these were only $5. And was Victoria's Secret. The main reason why my mom wanted to go in there was to get this like Sherpa fleece that was on sale for $25 for my sister. So she got the tan color. I didn't get one. They had a bunch of other colors like pink, burgundy, black, but I already have like lots of fuzzy jackets. So I just ended up getting the Warm and Cozy Scented Mist. This is one of my favorite fragrances by them. The next items are my favorite purchase, you guys. I am obsessed, like in love with keychains. And I don't care if I have like 85 million like keychains like just dangling on my keys, if I have the world's loudest keys, like I don't even care. Like they're so cute, and I got these because they were having a deal. It was buy one, get one free. So I got this one that like is so cute. It says VS with the little shopping bag down here. And I also got this one for free, and it's this bling wrist strap. I needed a new one of these actually. And it's silver, just like my keys. The last store was Burlington, and I ended up getting two items in there. I got this facial steamer, which was right in the front when you walked in. It was the last one, and I didn't see that last time I went up there, so I definitely had to pick it up, and it was only $20. I've been looking for one of these, and I was going to buy one off of Amazon a couple of months ago, and I just never did. It cleans your pores, exfoliates, and hydrates your skin while opening pores to allow the skin to absorb other skincare treatments. So you're actually supposed to steam your face, or supposed to put like some type of like hot rag on your skin if you're doing like some type of like blackhead mask, or just like open your pores. So I got that, and also a 2-piece set that has a dual facial roller and also this like gua sha massager. This is supposed to smooth and brighten your skin tone, release toxins, increase blood circulation. I actually have one of these rollers, but it's like a really mini one from the dollar store. So this was $10, so both of these items ended up coming to $30. And yeah, that was everything that I ended up buying on Black Friday. Like I mentioned, I'll link down below the vlog of me actually buying these items if you are interested in that. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what your favorite item that you want to get for Christmas is this year, like your #1 thing that you must get. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on all of my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And also, if you don't want to miss my future videos, like the what I got for Christmas, I might also do like a Christmas vlog. Definitely subscribe so you don't miss them. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.